Halika muna tayo. Maghawak kamay kayo. At ipakita natin sa kanilang lahat na ganito ang pagmamahalan dito sa Pen Shop. Ayan! Alam nyo, kahapon nagsimula talaga yung araw natin, no? This is actually the second day already of the kickoff of Pen Shop here at SM Davao. And this is the sad day na. Sad day na because last day na to. Pero ibibigay namin talaga ang lahat-lahat para sa inyo. Kaya naman, don't forget to use our official hashtags once you upload all your photos and videos on your social accounts. Again, we have it flash here on screen. We have hashtag Pen Shop, hashtag Cozy Days Ahead, and hashtag Club Pen Shop. And don't forget to download the application. Kitang-kita ko sa inyong lahat, nilalabas na yung mga camera sa inyo. Naway wala pa mo na lowbat. Dapat todo talaga ang mga power banks kasi sayang na sayang talagang opportunity na ito. Now, Miss Crew, dito muna ako sa gitna mo, ha? Papagitnaan ko muna kayong tatlo. Or mag-move na lang talaga ako dito. Dito muna ako. Kakamustahin ko to sila. Pwede na ako basahon. Ako yung mabasa. Beanie, Ron Davao, when? Sige, mag-organize ta. Kano sama ni mong birthday? Sa birthday na lang ni mo. Wait, Char? Promise? Oy, happy birthday sa'yo. Palakpakan na to kay birthday niya, ugma. O sige, din na lang ka 24 oras. Sulat na sila na mugawas. Ay, eto pa. Jolette Heart. Mika Heart. Colette. Pakipana? Pakipana ako, okay. Nagloading ang inyong host. Maloy, pa-selfie video please, sad face. Sige pa, usang sad face, ma'am. Ayan. Gwen, pogi pose. Sample daw, be? Hindi ka mo sample, pasampulo ni mo si Gwen. Ano man eh? Colette Budots. Ay, gusto ni mo sulay pa Budots, ha? Eto, sabi niya, birthday wish, heart sign, please. Duha ka exclamation point. Ayan. Chulette ka ba? Heart sign, please? Kung ang Bisaya sa coconut kay Lubi, pwede imo na lang kubi? Ay, witty ka doon! Love you, die, bees. Mika, flying kiss, please. Mick Gwen. O, labanon lang siya na to na, with a dash. O, dili na po ko na side. Wink if mahal mo ang blooms. Sige dabi, paunsada ang wink. I love it. Maloy, may something ako for you. Selfie tayo, please. Love you, Beanie. Yes, and of course, again guys, I am reminding everyone because mamaya-maya lang makakasama na po natin ang ating special guest. So, ginahangyo jud na ako ang tanan na walay magsinikuhay, walay magtuklod-tuklod sa matag-usa, hilabi na ang mga nasa second floor. Ma'am, nakoy nakitaan mga bata. Ato silang bantayan, mama, kay basin maipit sila. Luoy kayo. Safety lang jud sa matag-usa ang among ginahangyo. Top priority po natin ang safety ng bawat isa ngayong hapon ito. Kaya, again, sa may mga dalang bata po, mga guardians po nila, parents, please, pakibantayan po natin sila, ha. Pati na rin po yun nandito. Please be mindful as well of your personal belongings, okay? Nasabtan ba sa tanan? Okay, salamat kaayo. Ginatawag na ko diri. Yes. You are my gift on my birthday today. So ako ang regalo ni mo, ma'am? Mabini Carly na ba ko ani, ma'am? Charot. Happy birthday po, ma'am. Thank you very much for celebrating your birthday with us here at Pen Shop. Palagpakan naman po natin si Mommy. Many more years to you and good health po. Eto na. I just had the go signal. Ano yung pre-practice natin kanina? Taas ang energy, di ba? This is it. Davao! Are you all ready to welcome Club Pen Shop, the nation's girl group, Beanie? It is my absolute pleasure to welcome here on stage, Club Pen Shop, Aya, Colette, Gwen, I say pen shop, you say Beanie. Pen shop. Pen shop. Ladies and gentlemen, the nation's girl group Beanie here on stage. Now, ladies, I would like each and every one of you to greet everyone here inside the atrium. Go ahead. 2, 3.
I'm Adlaw. I'm Aya. What's up, Davao? I'm Stacy. Hi, everyone. It's Mika. Davao, I'm Malay. Hi, guys. I'm Sheena. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gwen. Hello, Davao. I'm Joanna. I'm Hapon, Davao. I'm Colette. And we are Beanie. Hello, Davao Blues.
Alam nyo guys, murag mahurot akong tingog karon. Kay ganina pa ko napagaw, pero mas mapagaw ko karon sa kakusog sa inyong tingog. Now ladies, please take a seat. Upo muna po tayo. O, sige. Sumigaw kayo ng mga bias ninyo. 3, 2, 1. Now, kalma. Dapawenyos, kalma po tayo. Hingang malalim. Ayan, again, I'm reminding everyone na yung mga may dalang mga bata. Dili na to sila ipit. Tagaan na to sila space o para makahinga po sila. Okay. Now we will be having our... And of course, thank you very much to Crew Bear and Miss Crew for joining us here on stage. O, mas nindot na kay makitaan po sa itong mga dabawenyos dito sa
Dilim ka na
gilid.
mo kasab.
Lagi ma'am, ano, tulong ko na ma'am. Kubak.
Guys, quiet lang ta, guys.
Oo,
Dali lang kayo.
guys, dabawenyos, disiplinado man ta. So, ginahangyo na ako ang tanan. Hinayo lang na itong tingog. Marag volume number 1 lang. Volume number 1. Kay dili madunggan sa atong mga bini din sa stage. Kay narab ako yung mga pangutana sa ilaha. Hinayan lang na itong tingog. Hangyo lang na mo gamay. Ayan. Hangyo lang na mo gamay. Kay... Ayan, we appreciate everyone's energy, but again, we would like to request everyone's voices to tone down just for a few minutes. Just for a few minutes, everyone. Para din po marinig po ng ating mga binis kung ano po yung sinasabi ng host ninyo. Kasi hindi po ako marunong mag-sign language, guys. Lisot na. Dili po sila kabalo kayo mo sign language. So, pausan na may magsinabdanay, di ba? Okay, ayan. Medyo mahina na po yung boses. Daghang kayong salamat. Thank you so much. Yes, nababasa po nila na lahat. Okay, now eto na. As we proceed with our program, I have a few questions right here. Alam kong may mga tanong din kayo, may mga request din po kayo. Ako na po bahala doon. Itatapon ko na po sa binis kung ano po yung mga request ninyo at mga tanong. Now here it goes. Just a reflection din sa energy ninyong lahat. Anyone from the group can answer? First question is, biglang naging pageant bigla. Ganun. So ganito din dapat ang postura ng host ninyo. Char. Okay. It's always such a treat to have Beanie with us. What's the energy like seeing this huge crowd today? Siguro let's give a rating na lang. From 1 to 10. Ano ba ang rating natin sa crowd natin ngayong hapong ito?
Diyos ko, kulang ang 10 para i-rate ang Davao Blooms. Grabe! And hindi ko na rin matandaan kung kailan yung last na mall show po namin. So, para makasama natin ang mga Davao Blooms, maraming salamat po sa warm welcome sa amin dito sa Beanie. Alam namin, yung iba nanood kahapon. Sino ba yung mga nanood kagabi? Thank you so much po. And actually, naramdaman na rin namin yung ganito. Alam niyo po kung bakit? Kasi kagabi, umuulan at lahat. Grabe, hindi sila umalis. Sinamahan nila kami buong gabi. Kaya maraming salamat lahat po ng nasa taas. Maraming salamat po. Lahat po ng pumunta para makatry ng mga
monthly na lang yung visit ninyo dito, di ba?
Kung kaya din ang schedule, why not? Diba?
Yes.
Yes.
And thank you so much because gaya ng sinabi ko sa kanilang lahat dito, this is such an early Christmas treat for all of us here. So, binanggit ko din sa kanila kanina, maaga na yung call time ko. Pero mas maaga pa yung call time nila. Kasi pagbukas mismo ng mall, parang naging fun na rin bigla. Kasi tumakbo lahat. At kung sino man po yung nandito sa first row, sila yung mga early birds natin. So palakpakan po natin sila. Alright, now we move on. Baka nga yung iba dito na natulog, no? May tent na sila dun sa labas direct. Alright, now moving forward to the second question. Wow. Our second question, again, anyone from the group can answer. You've said you've squeezed in the schedule, sa schedule nyo. So, you've done so many shows. But what makes today's Pen Shop event special for you?
What makes it so special today is kasi nandito kami in Davao and we've had mga shoots and events with Pen Shop in Manila. So it's just so nice to see everyone in person here and to feel the warmth. Thank you so much for your warm welcome sa amin po. So it's so nice to see everyone here like 180 pala, 180. Yes. Hello guys.
Full na full talagang atrium ng SM Annex. Thank you very much, Bini Aya. Grabe. Ganina, asa na itong mga nag-request para kay Bini Aya na mga kuan? Itaas na ninyo na. Nasa yung mga pa-heart sign. Pwede ba natin sila bigyan ng heart sign, everyone, ladies? Ayan. O, ayan. Kunan nyo na ng litrato, ha? Okay. Here we go. For the next question. Ito. Kanina pa namin tinitignan lahat ng mga audiovisual presentations, everything that we've captured, just to highlight the newest collection and you taking part of Pen Shop. So how does it feel to be part of Club Pen Shop? So ano ba yung feeling na parte kayo ng Club Pen Shop?
Sa tinuod lang, we're very grateful, good, very blessed, very honored to be part of Club Pen. Kasi kami naman Bini, mag-Bisaya lang kuhang.
Yes, ganahan kami Ana Jud, oo.
Kay kaming Bini, syempre nag-start, bago ba lang kami nag-start dito sa industry, anong Pen Shop, dugay na kayo. So, gitagaan mi og trust sa Pen Shop na maging part sa ng family, so very grateful me. And we share the same goals and values. So, mo na mong ganahan, pagiging authentic, and yung confidence nandun. So, yeah, so, 2 more years with Pen Shop, of course.
Definitely, we're praying with all of you guys na tagaan patag more years together with Pen Shop. O dako pod kay nagpribilehiyo no kay sa tanang-tanang lugar na pwede ninyo agtuan for this event with Pen Shop. Ang Davao Jud ang napilian na ang Bini ang maimbitahan. So palakpakan po natin ang Pen Shop for this opportunity. Again guys, ginahangyo jud na ako ang tanan no kay napoy mga tao diri, napoy mga bata diri. Ayaw mo panuklod. Kay luoy po ang tao sa inyong luyo.
Thank you guys. Atras tagaman.
Oo. Wala lang yung tinukladay. Hilapin na po sa second floor kay di lang na ba na mo mabantayan. So, hangyo lang siya na mo gamay kay ang mga bata po ang amo ang problema ani. So, hinaot lang na safety lang ta, walay magsinikuhay, walay magtinukloday. And again, please be mindful of your personal belongings. Thank you so much. Okay, ito na. Talagang pag tumitingin sila bawat gilid, napapasigaw kayo? Okay, here we go. On to the next question. With always being on the go, having multiple performances and projects all at once, how does fashion play a role in expressing yourselves or Bini as a group? And by the way, I love the choice of the outfits. Naging belong din ako guys ha. I'm part of the group. Charot lang. Okay, anyone from the group can answer?
Siyempre, fashion played a big role talaga sa amin kasi it just shows how expressive we are, hindi lang sa mga songs namin, hindi lang sa mga dances, but of course, as well as sa fashion. So, we are really grateful na we have a creative team behind us na nagsusupport sa amin to show, for us to express who we are, what we really are. And kapag off-cam naman, kapag wala kami sa stage, doon din yung parang time namin to explore more, to show who we are. And ang saya lang na mag-discover ng kung ano-anong outfits. So, yeah, and also with Pen Shop, parang it brings us together. Hindi lang sa aming Bini, but of course, sa mga blooms namin. So, we are really grateful talaga na magkaroon ng ganitong platform. Yeah.
Yes, and of course, Pen Shop addresses all body shapes. Kaya naman, whether it be for comfort kung nasa bahay naman tayo, or be it on style, most especially for you ladies, no, talaga naman kailangan natin maging presentable on stage in all of your shows. Okay, now, moving forward to the next question. What do you love most about being able to collaborate with a proudly Filipino fashion brand like Pen Shop? Ano ba yung gusto ninyo now that you have collaborated with Pen Shop as a Filipina?
First of all po, let me just say na Pen Shop is one of our dream brands ever since. Kaya we're very happy na it's finally happening. Bini and Pen Shop, thank you so much. Being able to work with a brand that aligns our values is really a big thing for us po. Kasi we really wanted to incorporate, represent, and promote Filipino fashion. And yung Pen Shop talagang sobrang supportive po nila sa amin ever since. And I also want to mention na we're amazed na Pen Shop just keeps on growing. Alam mo yung every collection talagang laging may bago. They're never afraid to explore. Katulad namin na sobrang ma-explore. And they make us feel na we're free to express ourselves in fashion. And tingin ko yun din yung nagra-radiate sa ibang tao. It helps them boost their confidence and to feel free to explore in fashion. Yes.
Totoo yan, no? Because kanina, when I was grabbing my coffee, yung staff doon sabi niya na, they're so happy na may pagganap ang Pen Shop dito ngayon. Kasi ever since daw, Pen Shop na talaga yung pinipili niya. Wala na yung HR ha. Totoo talaga to. Yun yung binanggit sa akin. And ang sarap lang sa feeling that you're saying it as well. So thank you so much. Alright. So we have a few more questions right here. On to the next one. If you could raid one member's Pen Shop closet. Again, if you could raid one member's Pen Shop closet, who would it be? Kaninong closet ba ang ating i-raid?
If I could raid someone's closet from the girls, it would be Ate Aya. Yes. Kasi, grabe si Ate Aya talaga. Kahit nasa training kami, puro siya Pen Shop. Top niya is Pen Shop. Yung pants niya is Pen Shop. And lalo na kapag lumalabas siya out of the country, lagi niyang pinaflex na, oh, this is Pen Shop. Ganon. So, sana makapunta ako sa condo mo someday and hihiram ako ng mga Pen Shop clothes, ayun.
Para hindi ka na mahirapan, no? Punta ka na lang kay Bini Aya na closet. Doon po direction na tayo doon. Ako din, sasama na rin ako. Kung makulangan kong outfit, dito na dayon ko. Alright, anyway, we have a few more. For this question, who takes the longest to put together an outfit or get ready in general?
Oh my gosh! Feeling ko lahat naman kami, we're all trying to speed it up. And if I were to choose someone, I think it would be Ate Maloy. Kasi nga, mabilis yung utak niya. She really, imagine niya agad yung mga pieces of clothing. Pero dahil nga maximalist siya, she really wants to match different patterns, different colors na hindi mo iisipin that it would match. Kaya actually super amazing talaga. And very particular talaga siya sa anong look niya and yung makeup niya. You know, like, it's good. It's a good thing.
And that's why we love you girls. And that's why they love you as well. Because kayo yung inspiration nila when it comes to putting up pieces day by day. Whether it be, okay, mix natin ang color na pink and blue or black and blue, so on and so forth. Alright, now, on to, I think this is the last question. Who is the group's fashion police or gives the best fashion advice?
Feeling ko po akong fashion police sa aming girls. Wala. Wala namang... Parang kaming girls kasi we all have our different styles. So parang you do you sa mga fashions. Pero sa pinaka nagbibigay ng advice, kaming girls din. Parang wala ring specific. Kasi minsan, mostly pag content shoots, parang nagko-correct kami. Wala ka ba ibang top? Wala ka ba ibang bottoms? Mga ganun lang. Pero sobrang bihira kasi we all have our different styles.
And that's lovely, no? Because you share your thoughts to one another. No one gets left behind. Hashtag women empowerment. So thank you very much, ladies. Now, as we move forward to the next part of our program, everybody, it's always so fun hearing you girls support each other on and off stage. Gaya ng mga nabilanggit nila kanina, narinig natin yung mga sagot nila. That energy really shows every time you perform. Kaya kanina yung may pa-showdown kami, kitang-kita namin yung mga talento ng mga Dabawenyo dito. And they're looking forward for your performance as well. So at this point, as we talk about energy, I think everyone here is ready to see them for themselves. Andam na bang tanan? Eto na. Marami na tayong mapapaos ngayong araw na ito. So let's make some noise, everybody, because we've got a special performance just for all of you. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause for Cloud Bishop Beanie!
Something's up, I can see it written on your face now. Wasn't that what you're thinking, wondering why you can't let it go? Lately you can get it off your mind. Tell me what you feel and it's not enough. You can talk to me and we can work this out. This out. Oh, I don't seem to get you. Oh, are you hiding something from me, baby? Oh, tell it all to me now. Tell it all to me now. Ooh, I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise. I see it's troubling you, I see it's eating you up. I see whatever you do, it ain't letting you on. What's it gonna be? Are you gonna hold it inside? Gonna keep your tongue tied, never let the words slide. Is it all because of the past that you have? Is it why you cannot talk to me? I can think of other reasons, even come up with excuses just to let you know you're safe with me. Oh, I don't seem to get you. Oh, are you hiding something from me, baby? Ooh, oh. Tell it all to me now. Tell it all to me now. Ooh, I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise. Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy. Is it something about me? Have I done something lately? Did I say anything to make you feel this way? Just know that with me by your side, don't need to worry. You don't have to hide. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just know you can trust me. If you're all you can call me. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You can count on me. Oh, deep inside, I know you're trying to hide it all. Keeping your thoughts and limitations. Tell me, boy. Tell me, baby. Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy.
Yes! Grabe! We love the energy.
syempre, hindi naman magiging possible tong event na to kung hindi kayo nag-register today. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng early bird natin. Guys, all you need to do is download the PenShop app. Yes, para makakuha kayo ng mga exclusive vouchers, exclusive perks, katulad ngayon. Sino dito ang nakakuha ng exclusive vouchers from our PenShop app? Kaya tayo nandito ngayon sa Cozy Cafe Davao.
Yes, and they also have other features that you can find sa homepage nila. You can see PenShop's latest collections, personalized rewards, exciting surveys and quick missions. Yes.
Yes, meron ding rewards page wherein you can enjoy exclusive vouchers na pwede nyo siyang i-redeem online or in-store.
Yes, meron ding membership QR. Itong membership QR na to, para siyang digital card na pwede mong magamit sa loob ng store.
Yes, shop online, easily browse and shop directly at penshop.com for smooth experience. Yes, and a push for real-time updates, offers, and reminders.
Yes, and purchase history. You can all keep track of your past purchases in one place.
Yes. So, di ba, pwede nyo siyang magawa through online. So, mag-register na kayo, Blooms.
Wow.
Pero syempre, gusto niyo pa ba ng isang performance from us? Yes, and since first... Hindi pala first. Okay, ang next naming song na ipa-perform, this is our latest single. Alam niyo ba yung latest single namin? Ano? Wow! Let's go! You can sing with us, Blooms!
First love, kinikilig kang mag-isa. Araw-gabi na aalala. Sana you could be my first love. Getting cute, seeing you in a minute. Gusto nga kita makapilit. Ganun lang talaga when you like somebody. There ain't nothing wrong if you need somebody. Asking all the friends and they ship it. Di kayo na 90s love team feeling. Ganun lang talaga when you like somebody. Like
Wow, wow, wow! Once again, Davao, give it up for the amazing Club Pen Shop, Beanie! Now, ladies, I would like to grab the chance already. Pwede ba tayong magpa-picture together with everyone here? Tumalikod lang tayo and our official photographers will be stationed here on stage. And to everyone, pwede niyong itaasan yung mga kamay. Heart sign, infinity sign, do whatever you like. Alright. Few shots lamang to. Ako din, pipilang na din ako sa grupo. Okay lang din, girls? Okay. Taas ang kamay, everybody. In 3, 2, 1, and smile. One more, and smile. All right, thank you very much, ladies. Now, before leaving the stage, would you like to say anything? Baka nais nyo silang imbitahan sa mga upcoming nyo pa na mga shows and projects. The floor is yours.
Yes, again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Abangan niyo po ang i-release namin na album. Nako, marami po kaming songs na prepare for you. And concert po on November 29, Beanified concert. Kung wala pa po kayong tickets, you can still buy your tickets now. Plus, syempre, hindi natatapos to ngayon dahil mag-shopping muna kami sa Pen Shop, of course. Kung gusto nyo rin sumama at maki-shopping, you can join us, guys. And pwede rin kayong magstay dito sa booth natin, dito sa activity area natin. And guys, don't forget to register. Register.
Yeah. Daghang salamat, Davao! Thank you. Amping mo igpauli. Amping!
Once again, Davaoeños, let's give it up for Club Pen Shop, the nation's girl group, Beanie!
Thank you po.
Like how we say thank you here in Davao. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. And again, if you wanna shop in store, nandun lamang po sila. Kung ano yung i-add to cart nila, i-add to cart nyo rin at may mga pictures na kayo ng mga outfits nila. This is the perfect chance to shop online and pick it up in store. Once again, let's all give a big hand, please, to Beanie. Now the fun and activities doesn't stop here because our Cozy Lounge, Pen Shop Cozy Lounge, will be running up until 9 p.m. So if you haven't registered yet, if you haven't downloaded the application, feel free to do so because you have lots of perks, discount vouchers, and of course, meron silang up to 60% off on your birthday. So what are you waiting for? Download the application now and bring home some treats here at Pen Shop Coffee Lounge. Let's all feel cozy right here. Once again, let's all give it up for Beanie. Salamat. Bye guys. Beanie Carly is signing off. Charlas. Nandito pa si Beanie Carly. Again, take advantage of our application, the Pen Shop app, because you can shop online and just pick it up in store.